I have a cute little bite-sized shortbread cookie for you today. They are soft and pillowy and crumbly. Oh, they're so good. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is a fun little cookie. It's called Whipped Shortbread. It is nice and crunchy and also a little bit soft, and the flavor is perfect. I like to add some sprinkles to these. These are a great Christmas cookie. You're gonna love them, I promise. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Add your 1 cup of unsalted butter to your stand mixer, along with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And you're going to mix this until it's nice and smooth and fluffy. It's gonna take about 1 to 3 minutes on using your stand mixer. It will take about 5 minutes if you're using a hand mixer. Make sure if you're using your stand mixer to scrape the sides of the bowl and the bottom where all that stuff collects at the bottom of the bowl, so that it gets nice and mixed and creamy. Then you're gonna mix in 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And then just mix that together until it's nice and smooth. Doesn't take very long. This dough comes together super fast. So one of the things I love about this cookie recipe, there's no chilling involved. The hardest part is that I have to roll the balls with my hands. So go ahead and scoop out 1 tablespoon size balls of cookie dough, roll them between your hands, and place them on your cookie sheet. These don't spread really at all. We're gonna press them down with a fork and they don't spread. So you can place them pretty close together on your cookie sheet. Then I'm gonna dip a fork in flour and I'm gonna lightly press down these cookies with the fork to flatten them, because they're not gonna flatten by themselves. So the fork mark adds a little decoration for the top, and it also helps them flatten. Don't press too hard, but just a little bit of a light indent to make them nice and flat. And then you can decorate these before we bake them. So I'm gonna add some Nonpareils sprinkles. You can use any color that you want. You could use Christmas colors or just fun rainbow colors. This is also when you could add like a dried cherry, or you could add some chocolate chips on top. I love the Nonpareils. I love the way they look on there. But again, you can use anything that you want. And then you're gonna bake these at 300 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until the bottoms are lightly golden. And that's it. These are super, super simple cookies. They do take a little bit longer to bake, but they're super worth it. The cornstarch in there gives them a little bit of a nice crunch, and they stay super soft. Plus they have all that delicious buttery shortbread flavor that you expect from a shortbread cookie. These are my go-to favorite shortbread. Leave me a comment and let me know what color sprinkles you're gonna use, and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.